Hello, we are David
and Eunice.
and today we will talk about energy. Do you know what energy is? Energy is defined as the ability to do work. When the surrounding perform work on a system, the system gains energy. Energy is categorized into potential energy, which is related to position, and kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion.
Richard Feynman identified various forms of energy, including gravitational, kinetic, heat, elastic, electrical, chemical, radiant, nuclear, and mass energy. Other recognized types include mechanical, thermal, acoustic, electrical, magnetic, radiant, chemical, nuclear, and mass energy.
Mechanical energy consists of both mechanical potential and kinetic energy. Gravitational potential energy is stored due to an object position in a gravitational field, while elastic potential energy is stored in a stretched or compressed materials like spring.
Thermal energy represents the total kinetic energy of all the particles in an object caused by their motion.
Acoustic energy is related to the vibration and movement of material particles.
One of the most important discoveries in physics was identifying electrical charges in matter. Atoms contain smaller particles that are either neutral or carry positive or negative charges. Electrical energy is the work done by forces between these electrical charges.
Magnetic energy is the ability to work through a magnetic field influence.
Radiant energy travels as electromagnetic waves, such as light and heat, and does not require a medium to propagate.
Chemical energy is stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules.
Nuclear energy is associated with the nucleus of atom, which contains protons, electrons, and neutrons.
Finally, mass energy is the energy equivalent of matter itself as described by E equals mc squared, and represent the largest potential energy source in the universe.
Energy conservation law. First, the first law of thermodynamics states that energy can never be created or destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. In every process of energy transformed into another form, the total amount of energy entering the process equals the total of all the forms of energy that exist at the end of the process.
Second, Newton's quantity of motion. The moving object has a property that determines how much force is required to change their motion. This is the quantity of motion, and today we call it momentum.
Third, conservation of momentum is a fundamental law of physics that states that the total momentum of a system is constant. It means that only the forces change regardless of whether energy is destroyed.
Both momentum and kinetic energy are moving systems. Momentum is a vector while kinetic energy is scalar. Elastic, partially elastic, and inelastic collisions are the three kinds of collisions.
To briefly define three things, a collision in which there is no net loss in kinetic energy in the system due to the elastic collision, while partially elastic is a collision where objects lose some energy but do not stick together.
However, unlike these two, an inelastic collision is a collision in which kinetic energy is lost. Today we talk about energy. We hope our presentation helped you learn more about energy. Thank you for your attention.